Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about Camco's Taste Pure RV Dual Canister Water Filter Kit. Camco's Taste Pure RV Dual Canister Water Filter Kit protects your RV's fresh water from bad taste, odors, sediment, bacteria, and other contaminants. So how does it work? When water flows into the first filter, it has to pass through a 5-micron spun polypropylene fiber barrier which removes sediment. Then it flows through granular activated carbon which traps particles, and KDF, which removes lime and scale, heavy metals, chlorines, and chloramines. After the first filter, the water then goes through a 0.5 micron carbon block that can filter more contaminants than a standard inline filter. All this leaves you with clean, great tasting water straight from your tap. The system has a life expectancy of 15,000 gallons at a flow rate of 2.5 gallons a minute. The stand is made of durable, powder-coated steel and features a nickel-plated brass male fitting and swiveling female fitting. Included in the box are 2 water filter canisters, 1 built-in stand with rubber feet, 1 4-foot freshwater hose with easy grip, 1 canister wrench, 1 replaceable premium spun polypropylene 5-micron sediment KDF cartridge, and 1 replaceable premium 0.5 micron carbon block cartridge. So there you have it, Camco's Taste Pure RV Dual Canister Water Filter Kit. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.